Good morning, students. Today we will discuss two questions of the chapter 12, exercise 12.1. Here we will discuss question number 4, whose inequalities are given to you. X plus 3y greater than equal to 3, x plus y greater than equal to 2, x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0, and you have to minimize z, that is equal to 3x plus 5y. As in previous video, I have told you how to plot the graph. Again, I am just telling you how to plot the graph, and if you are getting the unbounded region, how to solve the question. Now for the first inequality, you can frame the table. If x is 0, then y is equal to 1. If y is 0, then x is equal to 3. For the second inequality, table is x is 0, then y is 2. If y is 0, then x is 2. And x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. This shows we have to shade the region in the first quadrant. And the optimization statement, you have to minimize z, that is equal to 3x plus 5y. Now you have to plot the graph. Here I have plotted. Yes, equation first, uh, 0, 3 point, and 0, 3, yes, 3, 0 point, yes, here. This is a 3, 0 point, and this is a 0, 1 point. Plot this line, equation number first, and plot second line. If x is 0, y is 2, and y is 0, x is 2. These are the 2 points. Now, if you want to shade the region, you have to put origin in the first inequality and second inequality. Both are you are getting false statements when you put origin. So what? Other than origin, you have to shade, and this region which I have shaded, which is a common region you will get. This is the common region which you will get. This common region, which is what? Unbounded region. This is the region which is unbounded. And unbounded points which are here, A, B, and C. A, I have written coordinate 3, 0. B, you can solve these equations, first and second, where the intersection point is, that will be the point B. Find out the values of x and y after solving equation first and second. 3 by 2 and 1 by 2, you will get the point B, and C point is 0, 2. Now find out the corner point solution. That is, after putting the value of z, you will get 3, 0. When x is 3, y is 0, you are getting 9. In case B, you are getting 7. You are putting x is 3 by 2 and y is 1 by 2. In C, you are getting x is equal to 0 putting, and y is 2, you are getting z is equal to 10. Optimization statement says you have to find out minimum value. Here 7 is the minimum value. I have here indicated 7 is the minimum value. Now this is the unbounded region. Question is still 2 points are there to do. You have to take z inequality, that is 3x plus 5y. If you minimize the statement in the case of unbounded region, you have to make a new inequality, that is 3x plus 5y less than minimum value which is given, that is 7. New inequality you will be formed, that is 3x plus 5y less than 7. Make the table for this inequality and plot that inequality. If you plot this, because it is a strict inequality, then line should be dotted line. This is the line, yes, here this is the line which is passes through the corner point B, So what? The minimum value at this point, that is 3 by 2, 1 by 2, is 7. So answer will be 7, and point is 3 by 2, 1 by 2. This is a solution of question number 4 of exercise 12.1. Second case of unbounded region is the question number 9. Here inequalities are given in question number 9. X plus y greater than equal to 5, x plus 2y greater than equal to 6, x greater than equal to 3, y greater than equal to 0. Maximize this z, that is minus x plus 2y. Now make the table of the first inequality. It is x is equal to 0, then y is 5. If y is 0, then x is 5. In the inequality second, frame the table. Third inequality is x greater than equal to 3. As you know, x is equal to 3 is a line which is passes through 3, 0 and parallel to the y-axis. And this is the y is equal to 0 means x-axis. Okay. Now plot the graph. Yes. After plotting the graph, you are getting corner points A, B, and C. And this is the unbounded region. This is whole lines I have shown here. Shaded portion is the unbounded region. In this case, you have to maximize the z. So first of all, you have to frame the corner point method apply karenge and make the corner point table, that is CP, corner points. That is 6, 0, 4, 1 and 3, 2. I have written here ABC 3 points and put these values x and y in this z and get the value of z, minus 6, minus 2 and 1. Maximum value in these three values is the 1 value, that is maximum. Now it is unbounded region. You have to do further 2 points also. Further 2 steps also you have to do. Z is minus x plus 2y. If you are maximizing, it means you have to put here greater than 1. In the previous question, you have to minimize that. It means I have put here less than sign. But for the maximum, you have to put greater than sign, and that is maximum value 1. Make the table. Plot the graph. Now this is the graph. Dotted line. This dotted line is the line of the inequality minus x plus 2y greater than 1. Now you can see here, line is entering in the feasible region, this shaded region. Now lot of points are lying in this region. How can you say that this only point C is the point which gives you maximum value? Lot of points are there, you can't calculate the values of points. Infinite many points are there which are lying in this shaded region. So you can't say that which one point will give you maximum value. So what? No maximum value will be there. No maximum value will be there in the case of question number 9. If it passes through only one corner point and whole of the line is outside of the feasible region, then that point will be the answer. In the previous question I told you, if the line is passes through the corner point as well as entering in the feasible region, it means you can't say anything about the value which is maximum or which is minimum. Do exercise 12.1. These are the important questions where I have told you how to do the questions. Thank you. Have a knowledgeable day.